Are you looking to improve your deadlift form and technique? First, it's important to set up properly by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Bend down and grab the barbell with an overhand grip just outside your legs. Keep your shoulders back and your back straight, engaging your core. As you begin the lift, drive through your heels, keeping the barbell close to your body. Make sure to maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. As you lift, exhale and fully extend your hips until you are standing straight. Once you reach the top, pause for a brief moment and then slowly lower the weight back down. Remember to always keep control of the weight, not allowing it to simply drop. Keep your knees slightly bent to absorb the impact. Focus on using your muscles to control the weight on the descent. It's crucial to avoid rounding your lower back or jerking the weight. Maintaining proper form is key to preventing injuries and maximizing your gains. If you're a beginner, start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load as your form improves. Keep practicing and refining your technique to see consistent progress. To enhance your grip strength, consider using straps or chalk. Wearing a weightlifting belt can also provide additional support for your core. Don't forget to warm up properly before attempting heavy deadlifts to reduce the risk of injury. Proper warm-up exercises include dynamic stretches and movement patterns that mimic the deadlift. During your training, listen to your body and give yourself enough rest to recover. Take breaks between sets to allow your muscles to recuperate and prevent overexertion. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to perform a few perfect reps than many sloppy ones. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, consult a professional before attempting heavy lifting. Remember, the deadlift is a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Strengthening these muscles will improve your overall athletic performance and help prevent future injuries. Incorporate variations of the deadlift, such as sumo and Romanian deadlifts, to challenge your muscles from different angles. Learn from experienced lifters and seek guidance from certified trainers to further improve your technique. Practice regularly and stay consistent with your deadlift training to see long-term results. By mastering the deadlift form and technique, you'll unlock your full strength potential and achieve exceptional results.